female Over Cadets 46 kilograms category. In the red corner, representing Cebu Kickboxing Association from Tambuelan, Cherime Irizarry. And in the blue corner, representing Tambuelan, Carmel Abigail Dumadlas. Fighters, let us send Once again, ladies and gentlemen, this is kickboxing in the WACO rules presented to you by the Samahang Kickboxing ng Pilipinas, the NSA in charge in the propagation of kickboxing sports in the country. So, yung mga medalists po natin, in fact, most of these fighters, including yung mga lumaban kanina, and even yesterday, sa semifinals are qualified in the National Kickboxing Championship na gaganapin po sa Tagaytay City come September 1 to 6. And kung may mga nanonood pa dito ng mga naglalaro ng mixed martial arts, we are inviting everybody to join the National Mixed Martial Arts National Trial in Tagaytay City come September 21 to 24. Please, August 21 to 24. Please check our official Facebook page or the official Facebook page of National Mixed Martial Arts Federasyon ng Pilipinas. Yan po ang NSA ng MMA po natin. So we are going to look for members of the Philippine national team to compete in the Asian Games 2026 for MMA and the Asian Youth Games to be held in Bahrain. And of course for the Asian Games in Japan next year. Thank you. And we have a winner with a score of 1-2. Blue, Carmela Miguel Dumantas from Cebu Kickboxing Association, Tambuelan.